Hello friends, welcome to the Total Knowledge. This is Anandya. Today I am going to tell you how to create Wi-Fi hotspot. So why we want to create Wi-Fi hotspot? Because we want to share the internet of our laptop or computer with another laptop or the mobile devices. Okay, so what we will be using to achieve that is we will be using the netsh command to create Wi-Fi hotspot. So this netsh command is network sharing command. So to start that, so let me show you something first. So if you see this, I am connected to this internet connection, and if you see here, there are only 3 connections. One is disabled, one is my Wi-Fi connection, and other one is my LAN, which is disabled because I am connected with a Wi-Fi network. Okay, so what I need to do, I want to share this Wi-Fi with another devices. It could be laptop, computer, or mobile devices. Okay, so let's start doing that. First, what we need to do, open command prompt with admin privilege. Okay, so let's open the command prompt. So to open the command prompt, what we need to do, click on this start menu and write cmd. It will give you the command prompt icon. Right click and run it as administrator. So I have just opened that command prompt with administrator privilege. You can see this administrator. Okay, so second thing what we need to do, use netsh command to set wireless network. Okay, so let me tell you something first before using that. Netsh command is used to share the network, of course, and we can see what all the options available with netsh. So to know that, write netsh, that is netsh, and space with question mark and click enter. So it will show you, let me maximize it, it will show you all available commands with this netsh command. Okay, so what we need to do in order to create the hotspot, so let's see first. It is netsh wlan set hosted network mode allow ssid, anything that you want to name, and the key. Okay, so like if you forget what the commands are, so you can easily just go through this by checking like netsh question mark. It will show you the all this available list, and after that you can cite wlan. So you can see all the associated commands with wlan, or you can also write wlan question mark. It will also give you the list of commands associated with wlan. So we need to set a hosted network. So for that, write netsh wlan and set the hosted network. Okay, so let's set hosted network, and even then you can press question mark. It will give you the other possible commands. So like if you can see here, these are the examples, what all the possible examples are here. So we have to use the command from this. Okay, so what we are going to do, netsh wlan set hosted network mode equals to allow. It means I am going to allow this hosted network to be shared. Okay, and then ssid, so equals to, so this id would be the name of your hotspot, the Wi-Fi what you are going to share. So like I am saying my hotspot. Okay, and other than that, there is a other thing, that is key. So key is basically the password of your hotspot. So let me write it mhs, that is my hotspot @1234, and hit enter. So you will see this successful message. See, successfully changed. It means we have set the hotspot network. So if you want to see that, so let's see if that is available. Okay, so still that is not available anywhere. Okay, so now the hotspot is created. What next we want to do is we need to start that hosted network. So keep watching over here as well, the wireless network connection 2. So I'm going to start that. So for starting that, let me show you the command. So this is the command, netsh wlan start hosted network. And by the way, I forgot to tell you, the SSID stands for service set identifier. What would be the name of your hosted network, and the key should be minimum of 8 characters. It cannot be less than 8 characters. Okay, so let me start that hosted network. So to start that, let's write netsh wlan start hosted network and hit enter. It is saying that hosted network can't be started. Why so? Might be possible this was because I had disabled this wireless network connection, that is why. So let's try this, netsh wlan start hosted network. Yeah, great. Now it has started the hosted network, and you can see there is further you can see a label with identifying. So now this wireless connection is going to identify our hosted network. So first time it will take near about 1 to 2 minutes, so be patient for that. So let it identify that hosted network. Okay, so now you can see my hotspot. So you can change this name as well, like I'm saying Wi-Fi hotspot, you can name it anything. So this my hotspot is the name what the hosted network we have created, like this. Okay, so this would be shared with this hosted network should be shared with the other devices, and which internet would be shared. So we need to tell our computer, our network, that as well. So let's see what's in the slide next. So open network and sharing center from control panel. So to open that, let's go one by one. So actually I have already opened that. So there are two options, but right, just click onto that, and from here directly you can go to this, or just click on the window icon, go to the control panel, and here if you see this, then from here network and internet you can go, or change it to the large icons, and from here you can say network and sharing, and go to the change adapter settings. Even then you would be redirected to the same window. Okay, so let me close one. So let me close this. Okay, so let's see what next we need to do. Okay, so now share your connected network. Now we need to share our connected network. So right now total free is the network by which I am connected. So let me share that connection. So right click on that, go to the properties, and go to the sharing tab, and if you see in the drop down home network connections and expand that, you will see Wi-Fi hotspot. So this is that connection what we have created here. Okay, so select that and keep this both checkboxes as checked and press OK. And after doing that, you will see this network by which I am connected, that is showing a shared flag with that. It means this network would be shared, and this is the hotspot which is going to share that network. So if you go to the Wi-Fi, click on this Wi-Fi icon and you will see all the available Wi-Fi or the networks, and it will show the hotspot as well. So this is my hotspot is showing as another icon, and you can see the internet access. It means now anyone can connect with this hosted network. So this is what we have created, a Wi-Fi hotspot. So let me see if anything else. Okay, so we have done this. Okay, and also note that if like we have created any hosted network or the hotspot, so after every restart of computer, you just need to start hosted network again. We don't need to do all these stuff like the use netsh command to set wireless network. So we don't need to do that. What we need to do, we need to just restart the hosted network, and for that the command line is netsh wlan and start hosted network. Okay, great. So I'm going to just connect with this hotspot on my mobile, and I'm going to just add that screenshot within the video. Okay, and let's see if there is anything else. Okay, so nothing else. This is what all we wanted to do. So if you feel it worth watching, then please like the video and subscribe to the channel, and you can comment your doubts or any queries. I will be uploading these slides on my website, that is asanandadevsingh.blogspot.in, so you can download it from there as well. Thanks for being here. Thank you so much.